Hello friends, a very warm welcome to Taste of Mountain. Today we are making a truly irresistible roasted chicken. Crispy on the outside, lightly charred, and incredibly juicy on the inside. A dish that looks stunning, smells amazing, and tastes even better. So without wasting any time, let's begin this delicious journey. First, take 800 grams of chicken pieces. Wash them thoroughly. Now let's prepare our flavor-packed marinade. Take chicken in a large bowl and add 4 tablespoons thick curd, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder for color, 1 teaspoon red chili powder for heat, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, a half teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 3 tablespoons mustard oil, and salt to taste. Mix everything well and massage the marinade nicely into the chicken pieces. Now cover and let the chicken rest for at least 30 minutes. If you have time, resting it longer will give even better flavor. Now heat a large wok and add some mustard oil. Then add a large chunk of butter and let it melt slowly. Once the butter melts and releases its aroma, add the chicken pieces one by one. Keep the flame on low to medium and roast the chicken slowly. Do not flip the chicken too often. Let it roast properly on one side. When the bottom turns golden brown with light charring, flip it gently. Look at that beautiful color. This is the true sign of perfect roasted chicken. Roast the other side the same way. And give it one final turn to roast evenly. Once one batch is done, remove it and keep it aside. Roast the second batch in the same way and set it aside. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected with Taste of Mountain for more delicious recipes. Now look at the oil left in the wok. Do not throw it away. This oil is full of flavor. Separate it and keep it aside. Then lightly clean the wok. Add the same flavor-rich oil back to the wok and heat it on a medium flame. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 3 to 4 fresh green chilies, and 3 large finely chopped onions. Saute the onions, stirring gently until they turn soft and light golden. Now add the puree of 2 medium tomatoes and cook well until the raw smell disappears. Next, add salt to taste and 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder for color. Give it a light stir. Then add the remaining extra marinade. This is where the gravy gets its deep, rich flavor. Cook on low flame until the masala releases oil. Now add a little water. Just enough so the masala coats the chicken beautifully. When the water slightly reduces and oil separates, add the slow roasted chicken pieces back into the wok. Arrange all the chicken pieces properly so they absorb the gravy evenly. Flip them once gently so they cook uniformly on both sides. When you see this perfect texture, not too dry and not too watery, know that your roasted chicken is ready. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and a little spring onion. And there you have it, a smoky, flavorful, and absolutely mouth-watering roasted chicken. Serve it hot with roti, naan, or paratha, and enjoy this amazing dish with your family. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected with Taste of Mountain for more delicious recipes.